Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we are going to be looking at a couple of the items for the BoxyCharm charm room. I heard it is now open. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on, that way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some new spoilers confirmed for the September BoxyLuxe box. Well, thank you so much, Becca's Beauty Channel. Becca says, first here, hey darling, hope you're doing great, love ya. Well, thank you so much, Becca, honey. I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have one out of two chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before I dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, but it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's dive into this madness. Now again, these are a couple of the items for BoxyCharm charm room. Now I found this on Instagram at BoxyCharm Addiction. If you don't know what charms are, it is items that you could buy. You can use your charms toward, of course, charm room, you know what I mean. So let's look at the few items that she showed us on here. So the first item that she showed us is the Odessa New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hot Cocoa, and that is $24. Next up is the Alamore Cosmetics Complexion Brush Trio, and that is $36. Next up is the Rituals Cosmetics The Ritual of Shakura, is it Shakura? Foaming Shower Gel, and this is a 6.7 flow ounce item, and it is $9.50. Not a bad deal for that, y'all. Next, she shows the Grande Cosmetics Grande Drama Intense Thickening Mascara with Castor Oil in the shade Black. That is $25. And then it also shows the Galactic Skin Glow Duo. I didn't get to see the price or anything on that, so I don't know. But that is just an example of a few items that they have. Those are just a few of many that they do have in the charm room. And again, if you do have charms, that is the place where you go and you spend them. So guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comments section. And are you getting anything from the charm room? Let us know down there as well. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Chantel Stevenson. Chantel says, lovely. Well, thank you so much, Chantel. I think you are just as lovely, honey, and I really hope you're doing well, and I appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time, but if you would check on that for me, if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.